Hello and welcome to Inside ISA. I'm Troy Jones, the Vice President of National Account Sales, and I have the good fortune today of having Nick Dumeier, an Inside Sales Account Manager, join me today to talk a little bit more about ISA's Inside Sales Department. Nick, welcome.
Appreciate it, Troy. Yeah, usually the roles are reversed, and I'm interviewing other folks in different departments. So appreciate you kind of returning the favor and helping us out, at least to get some more information on our department out to you all. Troy, when I started out over 4 years ago, I really had to work hard to build my customer base here at ISA. So I was reaching out to a lot of different folks, and that included a lot of fire alarm companies, which when I first introduced myself, I was kind of introducing exactly what we offer, which is a lot of proprietary, hard to find commercial fire alarm parts, as well as legacy parts. ISA has been a specialty vendor as far as repairs on older legacy panels for many, many years. And kind of introducing those to newer prospects, newer customers. That's something I've been working on since I began, and something we work on every day here at ISA. So, it's one of those things where essentially when we reach out to folks, we're kind of introducing them to something maybe they not, know that we have the capability to do.
You mentioned hard to find parts. So, what extra steps does the inside account managers go to, if someone calls you looking for something that's very difficult to find? What do you guys do to fulfill those orders?
Well, a lot of times we actually surprise a lot of folks with all the stuff that we carry, especially when it comes to prospects, even folks who have worked with us for a number of years. They might sit there and send out an email saying, hey, do you guys have any Simplex parts? And basically, yeah, we stock Simplex. We work on it. We can help you out with legacy parts for that kind of brand. So if there's something that we don't have in stock, we're kind of a go-to source to sit there and you contact us, your account manager, and we kind of help you out through the process of searching for one, whether it be through our purchasing department or trying to track down maybe a newer, updated, suggested replacement part instead of the discontinued one if it's no longer available, so things of that nature.
On the repair side of things, is ISA able to take a part that's sent from a customer and do any work on it?
Oh yeah, the lab does this all the time. So essentially, folks will have maybe say like a CPU board or a power supply. They know it's on a legacy system. They cannot get it new anymore, and they know they have customers still that use these parts. Well, we'll have times where they'll send in 4, 5, 6 boards at a time to sit there and have us to put it into our repair lab. It goes through a repair process. Our repair time's only about 3 to 5 days. And it carries a 1-year warranty, the same as our reconditioned parts once it's through the repair process. A lot of folks get used to their local distributor and they're used to, their local parts, and they might not be aware of all the different proprietary brands they could be doing service work for. And so when we reach out to them and kind of introduce them and say, hey, you can get Simplex parts from us, you can get all these other brands from us, you then kind of open their eyes a little bit to what exactly we can provide and what makes ISA different as a distributor and as a repair house, because we can do, the proprietary new brands. We can also do legacy work. A lot of times we've already reached out to you, but if you don't have an account manager yet, by all means, reach out to us. Our number is 800-430-6013. Or you can check us out online at isa-net.com. And then we'll be glad to help you out, get you set up with an account manager, which is very important because you're going to work with us basically from day to day or week to week or month to month. Whenever you have one of those specialty needs, you'll contact us directly. It's not like you're going to get shifted around from different person to different person. You work with your account manager and they help control the account, make sure everything's taken care of, make sure things ship on time, make sure you have RMAs if you have to sit there and send back a core part or something like that. So we kind of take care of the account for them. So if we haven't already reached out to you, by all means, contact us. We'll be glad to set you up with a contact person. We'll go from there.
Good deal. Thanks again, Nick. And if you want some first-class support for reaching parts and helping make your business be more successful, get in touch with Nick and the ISA sales team. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.